Good morning students. Today 12th standard 2702 2708 subject accountancy. Chapter 3, topic of the chapter is accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. So before going to teach about, just recall the previous topic. The first one is fixed capital method and then second one is fluctuating capital method. There are two methods of maintaining in the partner's capital account. Fixed capital, in this method you have to prepare two accounts. One is partner's fixed capital, you have to prepare the individual account, and remaining entry prepare the current account. And the second one method, fluctuating capital account. In this method prepare only one account, the capital method. Method is known as capital method. Okay. Today, now we are going to see about another topic, difference between fixed capital and fluctuating capital method, interest on drawings, calculation of interest on drawings. There are three methods have to be prepared. First one is direct method, then second one is average period method, then last one product method. So in this class, last two methods will be discussed in this chapter. Chapter 3, accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. Then previous topic, methods of maintaining capital. There are two methods have to be followed. The one is fixed capital method and another one is fluctuating capital method. The fixed capital method, in this method have to prepare two accounts. The first one account is partner's capital account and then remaining entry post to the current account. And then second one method, fluctuating capital method. So in this method prepare only one account. So that account is partner's capital account. Okay. Today we are going to see about what are the distinguish between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Basis of distinctions, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. The first one, nature of accounts. There are two accounts are maintained for each partner, that is capital account and then current account. But fluctuating capital, only one account have to be prepared. And second one, change in capital. In fixed capital method, the amount of capital normally remains unchanged except when additional capital is introduced or capital is withdrawn permanently. But fluctuating capital method, the amount of capital changes from period to period. Then third one, closing balance. In fixed capital method, the capital account always shows a credit balance, but current account may show either debit or credit balance. But fluctuating capital method generally shows credit balance. It may also show a debit balance. Then fourth one, adjustment. All adjustments relating to interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary or commission, sharing of profit or loss are done in current account. But fluctuating capital, all adjustments relating to interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, share of profit or loss done in the capital account. Then these are called difference between fixed capital and then fluctuating capital method. It's very important questions. Then we can see next topic, interest on drawing. Interest is charged on drawings made by the partners only when there is an agreement among the partners in this regard. So once again repeat, interest is charged on drawings made by the partners only when there is an agreement among the partnership this regard. then the rate of interest on drawings will be the rate agreed by the partners. The interest on drawing will be the rate agreed by the partners. So loss items, so it is called to be a interest on drawings. Then next, what are the journal entry of interest on drawing for changing interest on drawing? So partners capital account or current account debtor to interest on drawing account. And then for closing interest on drawing account, the closing entry interest on drawing account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawing will be shown in the debit side and credit side means profit and loss appropriation account. So these are the journal entry of changing interest on drawing beginning and the closing entry. Then next we can see the calculation of interest on drawings. So how to calculate the interest on drawing? Interest on drawings can be computed by following either direct method or product method. Also, if the partners withdraw fixed amount at fixed time interval, interest on drawings may be calculated on the basis of the average period method. So based on the dates of drawings and the amount of drawings, different method can be followed collecting interest on drawings. The first one method, there are three methods have to be followed. First one is direct method, then second one average period method, then finally product method. So now we can see the first method, direct method. So in this method, interest is calculated on drawings for the period from the date of drawings to the date of closing date of the accounting year. The following formula is used to compute the interest on drawing. What are the formula of interest on drawing in the direct method? Interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Then next method, product method. Under product method, interest is calculated on the total of the products. That it is the product of amount of the product method is irregular method. Product method is irregular method. The first one is direct method. The direct method is normally withdrawn the monthly once or weekly once or 3 months once regularly withdraw the amount. This is a directly method. Then second one product method. The method is irregular method. So under product method, interest is calculated on the total of the products, that is the product of amount of drawings and the period of which the amount remaining withdrawn. So if the product is calculated. So how to calculate this method? The first one, the procedure for calculating interest on drawings under product method is as follows. The first one, multiplicity each amount withdrawn by the relevant period in month to find out the individual product. Then second one, find out the sum of all the individuals products. Then third one, calculate interest at the prescribed rate for 1 month by using the following formulas. What are the formula of product method? Interest on drawing, sum of product into rate of interest per annum into 1 by 12. 1 by 12 means average period. So it is called to be a product method. Then finally average period method. In this method, regular method. So all the peoples are like in this method. So if the partners withdraw fixed amount at fixed time interval, fixed amount and a fixed time interval. So interest on drawings may be calculated on the basis of the average period. The fixed time interval refers to withdrawals made monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, monthly once quarterly means 3 months once, half yearly means 6 months once. So once in 2 months and once in 4 months, the following formula may be used to calculate interest on drawings. Interest on drawing equal to total amount of drawings made during the year into rate of interest per annum into average period divided by 12. Average period means number of months from the date of first withdrawal to the end of the year plus number of months from the date of last withdrawal to the end of the year divided by 12. There are three methods has to be followed. First one is direct method, then second one is product method, then third one average period method. The last two methods have to be discussed in this chapter. The first average period is computed as follows. The following table shows the average period in months for withdrawal made at the beginning. So it's a very very important formula. I hope thorough in this formula you can easily calculate the interest on drawing for the average period method. So students, listen carefully. In the middle, at the end of every month, quarter and half year of the year, beginning, middle and end of the month. So first frequency of withdrawal, the average period in month wise, the time of withdrawal. First one at the beginning, at the middle and then last. There are three categories divided. The first one column is in the beginning and second one middle. Middle means halfly once, 6 months once at the end of the month. The monthly, quarterly, halfly, monthly. At the beginning 12 month plus last month 1. So totally 13. 13 divided by 2 we get 6.5. அப்போ beginning average period beginning வரும்போது நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும் 6.5 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். அந்த average period divided by 12 இருக்கு இல்லையா ஃபார்முலாவில், அந்த average period அந்த இதுக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், அந்த பிகினிங்காக இருந்தால் 6.5, இந்த மிடிலாக இருந்தால் 6 மீன்ஸ் ஓப்பனிங் மந்த் வந்து 11.5 கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும், லாஸ்ட் மந்த்து எண்ட் ஆஃப் இதில் வந்து 0.5. ஸோ டோட்டலி 12 by 2, 12 divided by 2 we get 6. இப்போ மிடில் வந்துச்சுன்னா 6. இப்போ 6 by 12 அர்த்தம். At the end, so beginning 11 month, end of the month 0. So 11 plus 0, 11. 11 by 12, 5.5. Get the 5.5. So month wise பார்க்கும்போது பிகினிங்காக இருந்தால் 6.5 ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். we consider to the beginning month wise 6.5, மிடிலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 6, at the end of the period 5.5. then quarterly 3 months once, beginning 12, end 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. 15 divided by 2 we get 7.5 in the beginning. Then in the middle, so beginning 10.5 plus end வந்து 1.5. So totally 12 divided by 2 we get 6. At the end of the stage, opening 9 month ஆகும், so closing last month 0. So 9 plus 0, 9 divided by 2 we get 4.5. So quarterly at the beginning 7.5 average period, in the middle 6, at the end of the average period 4.5 quarterly. Then half-yearly, beginning month 12, end of the month 6. So 12 plus 6, 18 by 2. So 18 divided by 2 we get 9. Then in the middle, beginning 9 month will be considered and closing 3 months. So 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 2, 12 divided by 2. So we get 6. At the end of the stage, opening month 6 plus closing 0. So 6 plus 0, 6 divided by 2 we get 3. So half-yearly, at the beginning average period is 9 by 12, in the middle 6 by 12, at the end 3 by 12. So this is very very important chart. So I hope thorough the chart students. So thorough the chart we can easily find out the interest on drawing of the average period method. So today I will solve the problem 11 to 18. We will do the exercise number 11 to 18. Already worked out the problem. Question number 11. I will read the question. Money is a partner who withdrew 30,000 on 1st September 2018. Interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018 and show the journal entries by assuming that fluctuating capital method is followed. Which method? In this question, fluctuating method has to be followed. The interest on capital, only one partner name is money. So calculation of interest on drawing. The question is only one partner is here. So find out the interest on drawing on money. After that, prepare journal entry. The first find out the money interest on drawings. So what are the formula of interest on drawing? First write the formula. Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. The drawing 30,000. Money withdraw amount 30,000. Interest on drawing 6% per annum. And then period of interest, the 1st September to 31st December 2018. So calculate September to December. So in between 4 months. So interest on drawing for 4 months. So then amount of drawing 30,000 into interest on drawing 6 by 100, 6%, 6 by 100 into average period. The period of interest. There are 4 months, September to December, September, October, November, December. There are 4 months on interest on drawing. So 4 by 12, per annum 12. So 4 by 12. 30,000 withdraw பண்ணியிருக்காரு. 6% நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கட்டணும். எத்தனை மந்த்துக்கு அவர் வித்ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கா அத்தனை மந்த்துக்கு நம்ம பே பண்ணுறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 மந்த் செப்டம்பர் டிசம்பர் வரைக்கும் நம்ம பே பண்ணணும், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கட்டணும். இப்போ அவர் எடுத்த அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் நம்ம எத்தனை மந்த்துக்கு கட்டுறோம்? 4 மந்த்துக்கு. 1 இயருக்கு 12 மந்த் அப்படின்னா 4 மந்த்துக்கு நம்ம கட்டுறதில்ல 4 by 12 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஓகே. த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் டிராயிங் ஆஃப் மணி rupees 600. Journal entries. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit aspect rupees. Date 2018 December 31st. Money capital account debtor to interest on drawing 600. Narration, interest on drawing will be charged at 6%. Then 2018, the closing entry, 2018 December 31st, interest on drawing account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on drawing account will be closed. So 600 in debit aspect and same value will be entered into the credit aspect. Then go to exercise number 12. Santosh is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he withdrew as follows. Date rupees February 1st 2000, May 1st 10,000, July 1st 4,000, October 1st 6,000. Students, February 1st 2000 withdraw பண்ணியிருக்காரு, May 1st withdraw 10,000 and July 1st 4,000, October 1st 6,000. So monthly wise beginning அவர் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காருன்னா withdraw பண்ணியிருக்காரு. So calculate the amount of interest on drawing of Santosh. So calculation of interest on drawings. Interest on drawings amount of, what are the formula of interest on drawing? Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. The drawings taken February 1st, Santosh drawing taken from drawing February 1st onwards 2000, and rate of interest 6% per annum, and then period of interest. How to be calculate the period of interest? February 1st எடுத்திருக்காரு, end of the month பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம calculate பண்ணுறது டிசம்பரில் calculate பண்ணுறோம். So beginning to end. So February is the opening date, withdraw பண்ணுறது, and closing date நம்ம வந்து calculate பண்ணுறது டிசம்பரை include பண்ணிக்கணும். So that February to December, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December. So 11 months for interest on drawing. The period of interest on drawing means how many months? 11 months you have to pay the interest. So February 1st 2000 drawing value into 6% interest on drawing, and taken the interest on drawing payable வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா period of interest on drawing 11/12. 11 means February to December. Okay, so we get answer 600 rupees, 600 for 11 month. Then May 1st rupees 10,000 into 6%, 6/100 into 8/12. 8/12 means May to December. May to, can calculate May to December. Taken May to December. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 8 month. 8/12. The period of it is 8/12. So we get rupees 400. Then July 1st, the period of interest on drawing, July 1st. So drawing value 4000 into 6%, 6/100 into 6/12 means July to December. July to December, July, August, September, October, November, December. So period of interest 6 months. So 4000 into 6/100 into 6/12 we get rupees 120. Then last one, October 1st 6000 எடுத்திருக்காரு. அப்போ அக்டோபர்லேருந்து நம்ம டிசம்பர் வரைக்கும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ வித்ட்ரா பண்ண அமௌண்ட் 6000, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங் 6%. ஸோ அக்டோபர் டு டிசம்பர் 3 months வருது. ஸோ 6000 into 6/100 into 3/12 we get rupees 90. So finally, total interest on drawings February 1 to December 600, May 1st to December 31st 400, July 1st to December 31st 120, October 1st to December 31st 90 rupees. So totally interest on drawing 720 have to pay it. Then next sum, more or less the same problem, the 12th same model da 13th sum. So listen, Kumar is a partner in a partnership firm as per the partnership deed. So interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum during the year ended 31st December 2018. He withdrew as follows. Date rupees March 1st 4000, June 1st 4000, September 1st 4000, December 1st 4000. So Kumar withdraw the amount taken March 1st 4000 எடுத்துக்காரு, June 1st 4000 taken, and September 1st 4000. The same value will be taken by monthly wise. So calculate the amount of interest on drawing. The calculation of interest on drawing, the same procedures as followed in this problem. Drawing value 4000 March la, rate of interest on drawing 6%, so 6/100 into, and the 10/12 எப்படி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, you can calculate, you can take in March to the December, March to December. So March to December how many months? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So totally 10 month. The period of interest for 10 month. So 4000 into 6 by 100 into 10 by 12. The 12 எங்கிருந்து தெரியுதுங்களாப்பா 12 ங்கிறது 1 இயருக்கு 12 month. So அந்த 12 தான் நம்ம இங்கே மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So 10 by 12 இதுதான் நமக்கு மெயின் கான்செப்ட். So you have to find out the and the period of withdraw தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Next we get rupees 200. Then June 1st to December 31st. So 7 months நமக்கு வருது. Drawing withdraw amount வந்து 4000 into 6%, 6 by 100 into period of interest வந்து for 7 month. So 7 month means 7 by 12 rupees 140. Then September 1 taken 4000 rupees into interest வந்து 6%, 6 by 100 into period of interest 4 months. September to December 4 months. So 4 by 12 we get 80 rupees. Then last one December 1 taken 4000 rupees into rate of interest 6 by 100 6% into 1 by 12 பாருங்க December to December. So எந்த மந்த்துமே கிடையாது ஒரே ஒரு மாதம் தான் இருக்கும் அதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க 1 வந்துடும். So 1 by 12. So 4000 into 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is December to December. So only 1 month. Number of period, only 1 month period of the interest. So we get 20. So total interest on drawing 440. Then next exercise number 14. Matthew is a partner who withdrew or withdraw the same more or less same meaning. Withdrew 20,000 during the year 2018. Interest on drawing is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018. So question is find out the interest on drawing on 31st December 2018. So Matthew taken drawing value 20,000 withdraw பண்ணிருக்காங்க 2018ல interest on drawing வந்து நமக்கு 10% கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Okay, Matthew interest on drawing, what are the formula of interest on drawing? Total drawings அதாவது number of into rate of interest into period of month. What are the formula? Amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. So interest on drawing Matthew taken drawing value 20,000, rate of interest 10%. So 10 by 100 into period of interest. How many months? 6 months. So 6 months means the month is not given. The month is not given, so that you will take a 6 months. This is a concept. So rate of interest is not given in the questions means you will take a 6 months. You will take a 6 months. This is a concept. So 6 by 12 in this problem in அதாவது எத்தனை மாதத்துக்கு இவங்க எடுத்தாங்கன்றதை அவங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணி, யூ கேனாட் மென்ஷன் இன் த month, so that you can take 6 months. So interest on drawing value 20,000 into rate of interest 10%. So 6 by 12 நம்மளா எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா கான்செப்ட் பிரகாரம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், மந்த் கொடுக்காதல நம்மளே என்ன பண்ணுறோம் இங்கே கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So 6 by 12. So we get rupees 1000. So interest on drawings of Matthew interest on drawing rupees 1000. Next question number 15. Santosh is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawing is charged at 6% per annum during the year ended 31st December 2018. He withdrew as follows: February 1st 2000, May 1st 10,000, July 1st 4,000, October 1st 6,000. So calculate the amount of interest on drawing by using product method. Product method means what? Already told, no, product method is irregular period method. Irregular period method, how to be find out in this method is irregular period அப்படின்னா beginning or middle and then end. So calculation of interest on drawing. February 1st, இப்போ அந்த டேபிள் காலம் எப்படி how to be form the table column. The first column date of drawings, எந்தெந்த டேட்டில் அவங்க எடுக்கிறாங்கன்றதை இங்கே மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்க. how to mention which date taken the drawing value. Then second column amount, எவ்வளோ amount எடுக்கிறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது. first column mention the date and then எவ்வளோ amount, which how much amount be taken are mentioned in the second column. And then in between period of interest, period of interest எத்தனை மந்த்திங்க நம்ம எடுக்கலாம் in between நம்ம calculate பண்ணி the third column மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். the total தான் நமக்கு என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம் product column. then fourth one column, so there are 4 column have to be divided. The first one column date of drawing, second one amount, third one period, then fourth one product. Okay, so how many steps have to be followed? Prepare the calculation of interest on drawing in product method. Once again repeat. The first one method is multiply each amount withdrawn by the relevant period in month. The first column, second column இருக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, செகண்டையும் தேர்ட் காலத்தையும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஒவ்வொன்றையும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இந்த ஃபைனலாக ப்ராடக்டை நம்ம காமிக்கணும். ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை ஈச் அமௌண்ட் withdrawn by the relevant period in month to find out the individual product. Then second step, find out the sum of all the individuals product. Then third one step, calculate interest on the at the prescribed rate for 1 month by using the following interest on formula. Interest on drawing equal to sum of product into rate of interest per annum into 1 by 12. The 1 by 12 is a very very important. Interest on drawing into sum of product. பாருங்க first February 1st amount வந்து 2000. So February to December, how many months? 11 month. So 2000 into 11 product totally 22,000. Then May 1st to 31st can consider opening வந்து May 1st எடுத்திருக்காரு. year ending closing எப்போ நம்ம அக்கௌண்ட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணோம்னா 31st December. ஸோ May to December அக்கௌண்டிங் பீரியட் வந்து பீரியட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்து நமக்கு எத்தனை வருது? 8th month வருது. ஸோ 10,000 into 8 totally 80,000. தென் July to December. ஸோ ஜூலையில் 4,000 எடுத்திருக்காரு. டிசம்பர் வரைக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பீரியட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் மந்த் வந்து 6 மந்த்துக்கு நம்ம பே பண்ணணும். ஸோ 4,000 into 6 24,000. தென் October 1st to December. ஸோ 6,000 October 1st எடுத்திருக்காரு. டிசம்பர் வரைக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 months நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் பே பண்ணியதாக இருக்குது. ஸோ 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. ஸோ 18,000 we get 18,000. Totally 1,44,000. This value is sum of product. Total product எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? 1,44,000 throughout the year நம்ம வந்து எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ interest on drawing, sum of product, what are the formula of interest on drawing? Sum of product into rate of period of interest into 1 by 12. So total product, sum of product, total amount 1,44,000 into rate of interest, the period interest வந்து 6 month கட்ட சொல்ல 6%, not 6 month, 6%, 6 by 100. And then ஆல்ரெடி ஃபார்முலாலே உனக்கு 1 by 12 இருக்குது. அந்த 1 by 12 இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். இது என்னென்னா சம் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் தான். ஒன்லி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த ப்ராடக்ட், சம் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் மட்டும் தான் நம்ம இந்த மெத்தடில் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் மெத்தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் மெத்தட். ஸோ 1,44,000 into 6 by 100 into 1 by 12 we get rupees 720 is the interest on drawing. Then exercise number 16. Kavita is a partner in a firm. She withdraws rupees 2,000 500 per month, not per annum, per month. 1 month, every month Kavita taken withdraw பண்ணுறாங்க 2500 per month. Regularly, என்னது regularly, interest on drawings is charged at 4% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings using average period if she draws. Actually average period means what? Regular. இது ரெகுலராக நம்ம வித்ட்ரா பண்ணுறது. பிகினிங்னா பிகினிங், எண்டுனா எண்டு, மிடில்னா மிடில். அப்போ நம்ம மாற்றிலாம் இன்பிட்வீனில் எதுவுமே எடுக்க மாட்டோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் மெத்தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் ரெகுலர் பீரியட் மெத்தட். ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் மெத்தட் மீன்ஸ் ரெகுலர், not irregular. Product method is irregular, average period is regular. Do you know the difference for average and product method, students? So once again repeat, product method means irregular method, and then average period method means regular method. So note this point. The first one at the beginning of every month. First one beginning of every, ஒவ்வொரு மந்த்லையும் ஃபஸ்ட் டேட்டில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, வித்ட்ரா பண்ணுறாங்க கவிதா. Then second point, in the middle means what? 6 months once. So in the middle of every month. Then third point, at the end of every month, ஒவ்வொரு மாதத்தோட கடைசியிலையும் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா அமௌண்ட்டை எடுக்கிறாங்க, வித்ட்ரா பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, the question is calculate the interest on drawing. Which method? Using the average period method. So calculation of interest on drawing method in these questions, which method? Average period method have to be used and then calculate. What are the formula of average period method? Total amount withdrawn equal to so students listen, average period method, what are the formula? The total amount of drawings made during the year into rate of interest per annum into average period divided by 12. So interest on drawing equal to the first one, total amount of drawings made during the year. Total amount in the questions, in these questions monthly per month கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So per month means how many months are in a year? 12 month. So per month multiplied by 12. எவ்வளோ எடுத்துருக்காங்க? 2500. கவிதா டேக்கன் 2500 per month. So totally throughout the year multiplied by 12. So 2500 multiplied by 12, we get rupees 36,000. So in this value is known as total amount of drawings made during the year. So if drawings are made at the beginning of every month, beginning of every month, டேப்லெட் காலத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிகினிங்க்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதாவது மந்த்லி வைஸ் பிகினிங்க்கு ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் 6.5, மிடிலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 6, அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த பீரியட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா 5.5 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ இங்கே ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் வந்து நமக்கு பிகினிங் அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறதால 6.5. அடுத்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங் வந்து எத்தனை பர்சன்டேஜ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 6% கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் ரைட் த ஃபார்முலா. Interest on drawing equal to total amount of drawings multiplied by rate of interest into average period divided by 12. The total amount already find out. The total amount of drawing 36,000 into 30,000 into percentage rate of interest வந்து 4%. So 4/100 into it's a very important average period. நீங்கள் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை நீங்கள் பண்ண வேண்டியது, you can find out two values. First one is total amount of drawings, then second one average period. ஸோ ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் வந்து நமக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா மிடில். ஃபஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் என்னது? பிகினிங் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், இங்கே பாருங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் பாருங்கள், அட் த பிகினிங் ஆஃப் எவரி மந்த் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே 2500 per monthன்றதால நம்ம 12ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி 30,000 வச்சுருக்கோம். இந்த பிகினிங்க்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டேப்லெட் காலத்தில் நமக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஃபார்முலா 6.5. ஸோ அப்போ ஆவரேஜ் பீரியடு இங்கே 6.5
divided by as usual formula நமக்கு 12 இருக்கு. So 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. We get rupees 640. Then second case, if drawings are made at the middle of every month. Middle means what? In 6 month, in between. So average period 6 month. So interest on drawing, total amount of drawings into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. So total amount of drawing already find out 30,000 into interest on the 4 by 100 4%. Then average period middle அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மிடில் என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும், டேபிள் காலத்தில் என்ன இருக்குது பாருங்கள், பிகினிங்காக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 6.5, இந்த மிடில் மீன்ஸ் 6 மந்த்து, அட் த எண்டுனா 5.5. ஸோ இன் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் மிடில், ஸோ அதனால் 6 by 12. ஸோ வி கெட் rupees 600. Then last one point, if drawings are made at the end of every month. So average period end of every month, end, first one beginning, second middle, then third case end of every month. Average period 5.5. So once again repeat, monthly at the beginning are 6.5 and then middle are 6 month, at the end of the period na 5.5. So total amount already find out 30,000 into rate of interest 4%, 4 by 100, and average period so end of every month. So end of every month na enna eduthukrom 5.5. So 5.5 divided by 12, 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 5.5 divided by 12, we get rupees 550. It's a very very important questions. So in these questions will be shown in the question paper surely. So understand the concept, students. So in this method take more practice at home. This is very very important method. Then next question number 17. Kevin and Francis are partners. Kevin draws 5,000 at the end of each quarter. In quarter means what? 3 months once. 3 by 4 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Interest on drawings is chargeable at 6% per annum. So calculate interest on drawings for the year ending 31st March 2019 using average period. Okay. So the question is interest on drawing for the year ending 31st March 2019. So which method? Using average period method. Calculation of interest on drawing. There are two partners here, namely Kevin and Francis. The first you have to calculate the interest on drawing of Kevin. Total amount of drawings 5,000 into 4. 4 means what? The end of each quarter கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, அதனால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், into 4. So total amount 20,000. Then interest on drawing equal to, the formula is interest on drawing equal to total amount into rate of interest into average period. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோ கெவின் வந்து வித்ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா 20,000. ஸோ 20,000 into rate of interest 6%, 6 by 100 into 4.5 divided by 12. இந்த 4.5 அப்படிங்கிறது என்னென்னா, இங்கே நம்ம வந்து குவார்ட்டர்லின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. நம்ம டேபிள் காலத்தில் மந்த்லி வைஸ் குவார்ட்டர்லி ஆஃப் இயர்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென் செகண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா குவார்ட்டர்லியில் பிகினிங்காக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 7.5 கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம், மிடிலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 6ன்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம், அண்ட் தென் எண்ட் அப்படின்னா 4.5. ஸோ இந்த கொஷின்ஸில் எண்டிங், இயர் எண்டிங் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த கவின் அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஈச் குவார்ட்டர்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஈச் குவார்ட்டர், அந்த குவார்ட்டர்ன்றதை தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா அந்த 4ஆல் இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அதனால் இங்கே நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும், 4.5. ஸோ ஈச் குவார்ட்டர், அதாவது அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஈச் குவார்ட்டர், இதுதான் நம்ம நோட் பண்ண வேண்டிய விஷயங்க. ஸோ அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஈச் குவார்ட்டர், அதனால் 4.5 divided by 12. ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் என்னவா கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும், 4.5 divided by 12. So we get 450. So interest on drawings of Kevin rupees 450. 50. Then question number 18. Ram and Shyam were partners. Ram withdrew 18,000 at the beginning of each off year. Interest on drawing is chargeable at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on the drawings for the year ending 31st December 2018 using average period. Listen, the question is at the beginning of each off year. At the beginning of each off year. Okay. The each off year means the table column last one. First one monthly ones, quarterly, then half-yearly. The last month beginning இருந்துச்சுன்னா 9 month and end of the middle இருந்துச்சுன்னா 6 month. At the end of the month means 3 months. So in this problem, at the beginning of each half-yearly, interest on drawing is chargeable at 10% per annum. Okay. The calculation of interest on drawings of Ram. The calculation on interest on drawing of Ram, say in this method is using average period method. What are the formula of average period method? Total amount of drawing into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. The total amount of drawing 36,000. So 18 into 2. 18 into 2. ஸோ அதனால் ஆஃப் அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் நம்ம 2ஆக டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். 6 month ஒன்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் 6 months. ஸோ 2ஆக கால்குலேட் பண்ணி 2ஆல் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். 18,000 into 2. ஸோ totally 36,000 is the total amount of drawings. Okay. Drawings of made at the end of half year. End of half year. So interest on drawings, total amount into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. This is a formula of average period method. Interest on drawing calculate பண்ணதுக்கான formula இது. Okay, interest on drawing total amount எவ்வளோ நமக்கு இங்கே 36,000 already find out. So 36,000 into 10%, 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. இந்த 9 எங்கேருந்து வந்துச்சுப்பா? இந்த 9 அப்படிங்கிறது என்னென்னா இங்கே பாருங்கள், the beginning at the beginning of half yearlyல நமக்கு டேபிள் காலத்தில் 9 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. அப்போ இந்த 9 வந்து இங்கே நான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். 9 by 12. 36,000 அப்படிங்கிறது 18,000 ட்ராயிங்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம் யூஸிங் த ஆவரேஜ் பீரியடில். அப்போ 36,000 டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் ட்ராயிங் நமக்கு கிடச்சிருக்குது. 9 by 12ன்றது ட்ராயிங் ஆஃப் மேட் அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஆஃப் இயர்லி. எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆஃப் இயர்ன்றதால நம்ம 9 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணுங்க. ஸோ 9 by 12 we get rupees 2,700. The interest on drawing of Ram. Okay. So students, today have to learn about what are the difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. And then second one topic, interest on drawing. How to be calculate the interest on drawing using 3 methods. There are 3 methods used in the calculation of interest on drawing method. The first one method is direct method. Then second one method average period product method. Then last one method is average period method. The last 2 methods will be discussed in this class. Students, understand the concept. So take more practice at home. Don't waste of time. So I will give some assignment. Complete and send to me. Thank you.